Hi Somas, welcome to my Monday update and welcome and thank you for all my new subscribers and followers. And I'm going to share first of all the theme for this week in class, and I've titled it Tender and Delicate because I get a real sense at the moment that we just need to be very gentle with ourselves. And I'm going to be sharing with you very gentle movements for the spine, the shoulders and the hips. And going back to my yoga therapy training where I was taught a lot of restorative yoga and just bringing little elements of that in to get into the side body, to open the ribs and the breath. And so this practice is also really beneficial if you are exploring breath work, but you want to, that was my clicking E, if you want to feel that your breath can be a little bit more expansive without force, without effort, just using props of blankets. So I'll be guiding you to do that too. So this practice is beneficial if you are feeling overwhelmed, overworked and overwhelmed, and you have fatigue, or you are recovering from surgery or illness, and particularly surgery where you're feeling a little bit cautious about getting back into movement. And also if you feel you're going through a time in your life where you've lost someone, or a being, a little furry friend, a companion, and you just need to be gentle and hold yourself with this really soft, tender and delicate class for you this week. And I was practicing this last night, and it's quite profound how the gentlest movements create space for feeling more open and more relaxed. So if you would like to join me live, I teach on a Tuesday and Thursday morning online and a Wednesday evening. If you can't join me live online, then I have a library of classes, and this class will go in the library next week. And I also teach a Friday morning class at Central Wellness. You do need to have followed my beginner series in order to join that. Okay, so the other thing I want to say is thank you so much for all the lovely comments and feedback about the photographs that I've been sharing on my social media. The ones that I had done with Camilla from Lincoln Branding Photography, and we were fortunate enough to be able to have the photographs taken at Purusha Retreats in Lincoln, and it was an amazing afternoon. We worked really hard, and I'm wanting these photographs because there's another area in my work that I am moving more towards, and I wanted her to capture that essence, and she did beautifully. And everything that I really love, I'm bringing together at a workshop this Saturday morning at Central Wellness in Lincoln. Is a combination of yoga, somatics and chakra dancing. So if you want to feel blissed out and joyful and joyous, then I hope you can join me. And you book direct with Central Wellness in Lincoln. All right, have a great week everybody. Take care of yourselves, and hopefully I will see you soon.